Hello friends, my name is A.N. Patil. I am welcoming you to the Department of Chemistry of Vivekanand College, Kolhapur. In my first video, we studied definition, classification and nomenclature of amines. In this video, we are going to study methods of preparation of amines. So the first method that I am going to explain is by ammonolysis of alkyl halide. I take here example of ethyl bromide. C2H5Br represents ethyl bromide. So this is ethyl bromide. This ethyl bromide is heated with alcoholic ammonia, that is NH3. I write NH3 like this: H, N, H, H. This is alcoholic ammonia. Ethyl bromide is heated with alcoholic ammonia in a sealed copper tube at about 373 Kelvin. C-Br bond breaks, bromine combines with hydrogen and HBr is formed as side product. So I write here hydrogen bromide as the side product. Main product is C2H5 single bond N, single bond H, single bond H. Ethyl amine is the main product. Remember, ethyl amine is also a strong nucleophile as compared to ammonia. Therefore, this ethyl amine again reacts with another molecule of ethyl bromide. So write here NH, C2H5NH2 plus C2H5Br. The reaction mixture is heated at about 373 Kelvin. Hydrogen combines with bromine and hydrogen bromide is formed as side product. The main product C2H5 single bond N, single bond C2H5 single bond H. So this is diethylamine. This diethylamine C2H5 single bond N, C2H5 single bond H again reacts with ethyl bromide. The reaction takes place at about 373 Kelvin. Hydrogen combines with bromine and HBr is the side product plus HBr. Main product C2H5 single bond N, C2H5 single bond C2H5. So this is triethyl amine. Now you see this triethyl amine C2H5 single bond N, C2H5 single bond C2H5 again combines with ethyl bromide. at 373 Kelvin. The nitrogen atom of amines contain lone pair of electron. Nitrogen shares its lone pair of electron to this ethyl group, and the product formed is C2H5N, C2H5, C2H5, C2H5. Nitrogen shares its electron to this ethyl group, therefore nitrogen acquires positive charge. I write this product in square bracket. This is called tetraethyl ammonium ion, and here is I- salt. Tetraethyl ammonium salt, that is iodide. This is quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. So this method is called ammonolysis of alkyl halide. Alkyl halide, that is ethyl bromide, reacts with alcoholic ammonia. Therefore, it is known as ammonolysis of alkyl halide, or it is also called alkylation of ammonia. Alkylation of ammonia. Remember, this is not the good method for the preparation of primary amine, because here mixture of primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine and quaternary ammonium salt is produced. This mixture is difficult to separate. Therefore, ammonolysis of alkyl halide is not a good method for the preparation of primary amine. So I explain the same reaction by taking general example of alkyl halide. So look here, I take the example of alkyl halide R single bond X plus NH3, that is alcoholic ammonia. The reaction mixture is heated in sealed tube at about 373 Kelvin. Hydrogen combines with X and HX is the side product. R single bond NH2 is primary amine. General formula of primary amine. Now you see, if you want to get primary amine in higher percentage, if you want to prepare primary amine in more percentage, then here you have to use excess of ammonia. When excess of ammonia is used, we get higher percentage of primary amine. So this RNH2 again reacts with alkyl halide plus R single bond X. The reaction takes place at 373 Kelvin. The product is R2NH. plus HX is the side product. This is secondary amine. Secondary amine again reacts with alkyl halide at 373 Kelvin to get R3N, tertiary amine plus HX. This tertiary amine again reacts with alkyl halide to form R4N plus X minus tetraalkyl ammonium halide known as quaternary ammonium salt is formed. This method is not useful for the preparation of primary amine because mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amine along with quaternary ammonium salt is obtained. This mixture is difficult to separate. Therefore, if we use excess of ammonia, then we get higher yield of primary amine. So this is the first method known as ammonolysis of alkyl halide. I am going to explain ammonolysis of tertiary butyl amine. I take here CS3 single bond N, CS3 single bond CS3, here is carbon and here is NH2. The compound is tertiary butyl, here I take tertiary butyl bromide. And it is heated with alcoholic ammonia in a sealed copper tube. Remember, here ammonolysis does not take place. Here elimination reaction takes place. If you complete the reaction like this, hydrogen combines with bromine and HBr is the side product, and CS3 single bond C, CS3 NH2. If you complete the reaction like this, this is wrong. Tertiary butyl bromide does not give this product. Here elimination reaction takes place. Bromine and one hydrogen from this carbon is eliminated as HBr, and HBr combines with NH3 to form NH4Br. Beta elimination takes place. The product is CS3 single bond C, CS3 double bond CH2. This is isobutylene. Isobutylene is the product. Its IUPAC name is, this is longest carbon chain containing double bond number 1, 2, 3. Longest carbon chain contains 3 carbon, therefore it is propene. At 2 position methyl group is present, therefore 2-methyl propene is the IUPAC name of this compound. Remember, this type of reaction takes place when tertiary butyl bromide is heated with alcoholic ammonia. The reaction takes place through the formation of carbocation. This Br minus is removed and CS3 single bond C, CS3 single bond CS3 plus tertiary butyl carbonium ion is produced and Br minus is removed. This Br minus attracts proton and it forms isobutylene. So remember, this is the exception for tertiary butyl bromide. The reaction takes place in different way. So in preparation of amines, the first method I have explained, ammonolysis of alkyl halide. We are going to study the second method of preparation of primary amine, that is from nitroalkanes. You know that alkanes are also called as paraffins. Nitromethane, nitroethane, nitropropane are the examples of nitroalkanes. So I write here R single bond H. This is alkane. When hydrogen is removed and it is replaced by nitro group, the compound is called nitroalkane. From this nitroalkane, we are going to prepare primary amine. I take another example, C2H5NO2. This is nitroethane. I take one more example, CH3CH2NO2. This is 1-nitropropane. I am going to reduce nitroalkane. Here I write nascent hydrogen. Nascent hydrogen is obtained, or nascent hydrogens are obtained from tin and HCl. This is reducing agent. Reducing agent give nascent hydrogen and NO2 group is reduced to amino group. NO2 is reduced to NH2 group or NH2. Primary amine is the product. Primary amine is the product. Hydrogen combines with oxygen and water molecule is the side product, H2O. Balance this reaction. Here 2 oxygens are left hand side, therefore I take twice H2O on right hand side. The number of hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, total 6 hydrogen on right hand side, therefore on left hand side I take 6 times nascent hydrogen. Check whether the reaction is balanced or not. Instead of tin and HCl, you can use Fe plus HCl or zinc plus HCl. Similarly, nitroethane, when treated with tin and HCl, Sn plus HCl, the reaction mixture is heated. Nitro group is reduced to amino group C2H5 single bond NH2 plus H2O. You have to write balanced chemical equation, balance this reaction. On left hand side, 2 oxygen atoms are present, therefore I take twice H2O. The number of hydrogen on right hand side, 2 plus 4, 6, therefore I write 6 hydrogen on left hand side. Ethylamine is the product. Similarly, you complete this reaction, tin plus HCl. You will get N-propylamine, NO2 group is reduced to amino group. While writing and balancing chemical reaction, you remember which change is taking place. In this reaction, nitro group is reduced to amino group. So this method is called reduction of nitroalkane. Nitroalkane is also called nitroparaffin. Instead of tin and HCl, you can use Fe and HCl, zinc and HCl, or you can also use nickel or platinum or palladium catalyst. Nickel, platinum or palladium catalyst are also used to convert nitro group into amino group. I write here one reaction. Here I write H2 plus nickel catalyst or platinum or palladium. Nitro group is reduced to amino group. We get ethylamine. Balance this reaction 3 times H2. So this is the second method of preparation of amines. You note down this. Now, third method of preparation, reduction of alkyl cyanide. You know that C triple bond N is cyanide group, and if here I write R, it is called alkyl cyanide. Its reduction is carried out by using nascent hydrogen. Nascent hydrogen means newly born hydrogen. This nascent hydrogen is obtained from sodium and ethanol, C2H5OH. This is reducing agent. Reduction takes place. Reduction means addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. In nitroalkane, removal of oxygen takes place. Here, addition of hydrogen takes place. The bond undergoes cleavage here. Hydrogen atom is added on this side another hydrogen is added on this side. One more triple bond is converted to double bond. Again, one hydrogen is added here, second hydrogen is added here. Double bond is converted to single bond and we get the product are single bond CH2, single bond NH2. Cyanide group is reduced to NH2, CH2 NH2 group, CH2 NH2 group, and we get primary amine. Primary amine is the main product. Next, CS3 single bond C, triple bond N. This is methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide. It is also called acetonitrile. Acetonitrile. Its IUPAC name is ethane nitrile. Two carbons are present, therefore ethane nitrile. Its reduction is carried out by using nascent hydrogen. Nascent hydrogen is obtained from sodium and ethanol, C2H5OH. Cyanide group undergoes reduction. Hydrogen is added on this side, another hydrogen atom is added on this side. Triple bond is converted to double bond. Again, one more hydrogen is added here, another hydrogen is added here. Addition takes place across the double bond and double bond gets converted into single bond and the product is CS3 CH2 NH2. CS3 CH2 NH2. Ethylamine is the product. You can write, for I give you homework, CS3 CH2 C triple bond N. Ethyl cyanide, you write the reaction for the conversion of ethyl cyanide to N-propyl amine. The question will be asked like this: how will you convert methyl cyanide into ethyl amine, or how will you prepare ethyl amine from methyl cyanide? In this case, lithium aluminium hydride, this reducing agent in presence of ether is also used. When you write reaction with lithium aluminium hydride, here is second step, hydrolysis. And remember one thing, lithium aluminium hydride does not supply nascent hydrogen. The reaction takes place by hydride transfer, and here the reduction product is CS3 CH2 NH2. So lithium aluminium hydride is also used. I ask you one question: how will you convert methyl bromide into ethyl amine? convert methyl bromide into ethylamine. This is two-step conversion. Look here, CS3Br and the product is CS3CH2NH2. It contains one carbon, whereas product contains two carbon atoms. This conversion is two-step conversion. Look here, I take CS3Br, methyl bromide, plus potassium cyanide, KCN, alcoholic. Methyl bromide is heated with alcoholic potassium cyanide. K reacts with bromine and KBr is formed. Side product is KBr. Main product is CS3CN. Methyl cyanide is produced. This CS3CN I write in this way, plus nascent hydrogen. Nascent hydrogens are obtained from sodium and ethanol. It gives ethylamine, CS3CH2NH2. In this reaction, length of carbon chain is increased. The reactant contains one carbon, whereas product contains two carbon. Whenever we want to increase the number of carbon atoms in reaction, the reaction is called step-up reaction. Step-up reaction. Here, the reaction with potassium cyanide is carried out, and this cyanide is reduced by using nascent hydrogen. Here, we require 4 times nascent hydrogen. 4 times nascent hydrogen. Now the equation is balanced. This is called Mendeus reduction. This reaction is called Mendeus reduction. So up till now I have explained ammonolysis of alkyl halide. The second method, reduction of nitroalkane, and third is Mendeus reduction, that is reduction of alkyl cyanide. You note down this, then I will explain the next reaction. Now we are going to study how to prepare amine by using amide. So you know that C double bond O NH2 group is amide group, and if I write here R single bond C double bond O NH2, it is the general formula of amide. Amide is reduced with nascent hydrogen. Here, nascent hydrogen is obtained from Na plus C2H5OH. C double bond O NH2 is amide group. In this reduction, C double bond O group is reduced to CH2 group or CH2NH2. Primary amine is the main product. Primary amine is the main product, whereas water is the side product. Water is the side product. Balance this reaction. How many nascent hydrogen atoms are required? Here I write 4H. 4 hydrogens are required. Check whether the equation is balanced or not. Here 4 plus 2, 6 hydrogen. On this side 4 plus 2, 6 hydrogen. Next example, CS3, single bond C, double bond O, NH2. This is acetamide or ethanamide. It undergoes reduction plus nascent hydrogen. Nascent hydrogen is obtained from sodium and ethanol. Carbonyl group is reduced to methylene group, CS3, CH2, NH2. Reduction means addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Oxygen combines with hydrogen and water molecule is formed. Here to balance the reaction, I take 4 times nascent hydrogen. You check whether the equation is balanced or not. So this method is reduction of amide. Here you can also reduce by using lithium aluminum hydride. Remember, whenever you are going to use lithium aluminum hydride, it is present in ether. And there is second step, hydrolysis. The mechanism of the reaction is different. So remember, lithium aluminum hydride can also convert acetamide into ethylamine. So this is our fourth method of preparation by reduction of amides. Here you can also reduce aromatic amide, benzamide, C double bond O NH2. Its reduction you can also carry out. I am going to explain in this video one more reaction and then we are going to stop. We are going to study one important naming reaction, Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. So there are 3 steps I explained one by one. Look here, here is benzene ring. This is benzene. C double bond O, C double bond O, carbonyl group, and here is NH. This is secondary amine NH group. The name of the compound is phthalimide. This carbonyl group is electron withdrawing group. It is treated with alcoholic KOH. KOH. The hydrogen H plus combines with OH minus and water molecule is formed. I write here minus H2O. The product is, this is benzene, C double bond O, here N. Now you see H plus is removed, therefore this nitrogen becomes negatively charged and this K plus is attached here. So the name of the compound is potassium salt of phthalimide. Potassium salt of phthalimide is produced. This is the first step. In your textbook, separate 3 steps are given. I write in a single step or in a straight line. This potassium salt of phthalimide is treated with alkyl halide. This K plus combines with X minus and minus KX is formed. And the main product is, this is benzene ring, C double bond O, single bond C, double bond O, N, R. This product is produced. K combines with X, KX, K plus is replaced by R, and this is N-alkyl, this is alkyl, N-alkyl phthalimide. N-alkyl phthalimide. It is hydrolyzed with NaOH. Hydrolysis takes place. Bond undergoes cleavage here. NaO minus is added on this side and H plus is added on this side. Similarly, H is added on this side, ONA is added on this side, and we get RNHH, primary amine. Primary amine is the main product and this salt is produced. This is benzene ring, C double bond O, C double bond O, O minus, Na plus, O minus, Na plus, sodium phthalate. This is sodium phthalate. So in this way, primary amine can be prepared by this reaction. This is naming reaction known as Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Naming reaction. The question may be asked for 2 or 3 marks. Write a note on Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Before I stop, I want to explain one more point. This Gabriel thalamide synthesis and ammonolysis of alkyl halide, these methods are not useful for the preparation of aromatic amines because aryl amines are less readily undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. So today in this video we have studied some methods of preparation of amines. There is one more method of preparation of amines that is Hofmann's rearrangement or Hofmann's degradation, that we are going to study in our video number 3. So मित्रांनो, थोडं डिटेलमध्ये किंवा थोडं फास्ट पण हा पॉईंट कवर केलेला आहे. याच्यामध्ये काही उणिवा असू शकतील, त्रुटी असू शकतील. तुम्ही पुस्तकात बघून याच्या नोट्स तयार करा, रेग्युलर स्टडी करा. काही क्वेश्चन्स असतील तर क्वेश्चन जरूर विचारा आणि मस्त मजेत राहा, खेळत राहा, फिरत राहा, अभ्यास करत राहा. थँक्यू सो मच.